What's up, guys? Mower Medic 1 here, and today I'm doing a little home, no, I don't want to call it renovation, but I'm getting rid of these, or not getting rid of. I am doing an awesome little hack that allows me to put LEDs where these unsightly, outdated can lights are. Now, I ordered these on Amazon, and they are awesome looking, and they work great. All you do, it literally takes seconds to install this. All you do is unscrew the bulb, and then you screw the new LED flush mount right in. As you can tell, they look awesome. I got a little popcorn on my top of my head. So let me show you these lights. They're 12 watts. And they have I think they're 65 watt equivalent. These are the daylight. They're 5600K. And the way this works is depending on the depth of your can light, this actually extends. You pull this out, and if your can light is still too deep, they give you some included extensions. So what you do, you screw this up in there, and then you push this up towards the ceiling, and it just stays. It works great, super easy to install. Let's see what we can do here. And the best part is, you don't have to take your old bezel down out of the ceiling. I'm just going to pull it out, screw it up in there. Be careful not to cross thread that. Looks like I'm going to have to shorten it up just a little bit. And it'll suck right up to the ceiling. All right, man, that looks good. All righty, guys, we got one more to do, and I'll be done with this project. All righty, guys, hey, if y'all are looking for a really easy way to spruce up those ugly can lights, this is the way to do it. Hey, I'll even put a link in the description where you can get these exact fixtures. Y'all have a good day. We'll catch you on the next one. More Medic 1.